Hey peeps! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shagia and welcome to She Lives. On this channel we'll be talking about health. Shit. Hey peeps! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shagia and welcome to She Lives. On my channel we'll be talking about natural hair journey, healthy living, traveling, my weight loss journey, reviews, crafts, and baking. Okay peeps, so today we'll be discussing the topic healthy living, and what I want to bring to your attention is my personal public hygiene. And I brought this up because in my field of work I see a lot of people not being hygienic and it kind of bothers me. What? So what I do is if I have to use the public restroom, I use the door or my hips to open the door, not touch anything. And the first thing I'll do is I grab plenty of paper towel and I wet some of them and I push the door open. I close the door and lock it with the paper towel. I also take some paper towel and I'll wipe the seat off first and then dry it. And then I'll put the toilet sheets, lay them on there. Sometimes some bathrooms don't have them. If I don't, I'll just layer them with tissue. And after that, I'll use the bathroom and flush using my foot. I never touch anything in there if I can help it. And then I get some more tissue, open up the door, go and wash my hands. Hand washing is very important. Use lots of soap and water. Now, I've recently read a study where it doesn't matter if you use cold water or warm water. I don't know, but I feel warm water is better for me. I don't know. What do you think? I prefer to do that. And when I was a teacher, I taught my children to sing their ABCs or the birthday song for 20 seconds. But now I hear people saying, do it twice. So if that's gonna help keep viruses away, the flu away, the cold, do it for as long as you need to, but do it for at least 20 minutes. And you have to scrub your hands, both sides of your hands, in between your fingers, in your fingernails, and your wrists. So I literally wet my hands, get the soap, scrub, and I do this. There's that, and then you can hear the soap and the water squishing between your hands. And it literally takes me about 20 minutes to get that done. And a lot of people don't realize is that you need to get your wrist too, because when you're going to wipe either front or back, your wrist can get, stuff on them too. So that is how I hand wash. And then I grab a paper towel and I dry them as best as possible. And what I do see some people do, I see some people come out of the bathroom with their phones.
Oh, hell.
And will be on their phone or will do their hair before washing their hands. Don't do that. Don't do that. Wash your hands before touching your hair, your face, because that's how colds start. Cold starts when you're touching the crevices. If you put your finger in your ear, in your mouth, your nose, your eyes, rub your eyes before your hands are clean. Oh my gosh, please don't do that. Please wash your hands before you plan your hair or redo your makeup or brush your teeth. Some people do brush your teeth at work. I'm one of them. Wash your hands before you do any of that. Then finally, grab some paper towel and open the bathroom door and dispose of the paper towel in the trash basket. I've never touched a handle in a public restroom. Never, ever. And I probably won't. And I know some people are going to say, well, if you're like that with everywhere you go and everything you do, you're never going to build up your immune system to fight off bugs. I'm in my 40s. It's too late for that. I've had just about everything you could think of as far as flu, cold, walking pneumonia. I've dealt with it. I'll be okay. So yeah, that is my personal public hygiene. And that's it for now. So I will see you guys later and take care. If you've enjoyed my content, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Later, peeps. Damn, I can't get the natural hair journey. Natural hair journey. Damn it, I forgot crafts.